Dan from MomoEat.com. Today we're making a fruit salad with a simple dressing. So first you'll need 2 cups of red or green grapes sliced, 2 cups of blueberries, 2 cups of strawberries sliced, and then you'll need 1 cup of blackberries, 1 cup of raspberries, 1 orange peeled and sliced, 2 kiwis peeled and sliced. For your dressing, you'll need 2 teaspoons of ginger grated, 2 tablespoons of honey, then you'll need 1 lime squeezed. So you put all your fruits into your bowl. Now for your easy dressing, put 2 tablespoons of honey into your lime. Then put 1 to 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. And now whisk it to make your dressing. Then after you're done whisking, pour it onto your salad. And then mix your salad together. This is great for parties, or you can put yogurt on it and have it for breakfast. That's so good. If you want to find the full recipe, go down in the description below. Go over here to subscribe and go down here to see your newest video. Bye!